Good day viewers, you are welcome back to this YouTube channel. Now let's solve this simple JAMB past question. The question says solve the inequality 2x plus 3 greater than 5x plus 8. Now let's solve it together quickly. So we have 2x plus 3 greater than 5x plus 8. So the first thing I'm going to do is to collect the like terms. So I have 2x, then this 5x, when it comes to the left hand side, it becomes minus 5x, then greater than 8 minus 3. If you take the 3 to the right hand side of the greater than, it becomes minus. Then 2x minus 5x will give us minus 3x. Greater than 8 minus 3 is 5. Now I'm going to divide both sides by minus 3. Divide both sides by minus 3. So take note, when you are multiplying both sides of an inequality by minus something, minus 1, minus 2, minus anything, or you are dividing both sides by minus anything, then the symbol is going to change as well. Okay, what do I mean? What I mean is that now we are going to have x. This greater than will change to less than the minus 5 over 3. Okay, so x is less than minus 5 divided by 3 will give us one whole number, 2 over 5 over 3 rather. So that is the solution to this simple question. If you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe now, like this video, comment on this video. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next video.